Hi, my name is Crystal with PMC Supplies. Today we're going to talk about one of our most popular products, the RapidFire Pro-L Kiln from the Tabletop Furnace Company. The RapidFire Pro-L Kiln is the ultimate combination of portability, function, and performance demanded by professional artists at a fraction of the cost of competitors. It's the ideal solution for jewelry making, precious metal clay firing, ceramics, glaze testing, enameling, glass fusing, and so much more. We even have some knife makers that use this to heat treat steel. At just 12 pounds and this convenient little handle, it's light enough to take with you anywhere you need to go. For your convenience, it comes with a digital control panel that can easily be set. Simply turn on the power switch and press the arrows up or down. It has a front-loading door, and on the inside, the firing chamber is 6 inches tall, 6 inches wide, and 5 inches deep. It has an embedded heating element and will heat to 2200 degrees Fahrenheit in less than 8 minutes using RapidHeat technology. It can be plugged into any standard household outlet. This furnace will help you manage both time and costs, ensuring you have more time to focus on your projects. RapidFire kilns are also available with programmable ramping controllers. You can see another video on that right here. Also, it's important to know that RapidFire kilns are not suitable for wax or resin burnouts, but we do offer upgraded versions of these kilns for that purpose. These kilns are all made right here in the USA, and for more information, go to pmcsupplies.com or call this number right here. Pick yours up today at pmcsupplies.com. We offer free shipping. Don't forget to like and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe or watch this video or this video.